Alright, here is what I have done today. So, I made the auto fisher not automatically consume buffs, as you can see here. It only worked when I activated it. Let me make sure that it's actually activating. Here we go. Yeah, and I got it to also not spawn a bajillion buffs. Now it only spawns one at a time. I did this by adding a separate over trigger prevention thingy to the item thing. So that, like, I added a whole separate line of triggering stuff just for the auto fisher to separate it. And what else? Oh, yes, I got the money to be correct on the bulk fishing things. For the regular one, all I had to do was just add back the part that made it count as I just had to add back the thing that made it count the quantity. As you can see here, how many did I fish? What the? Anyway, yeah. And then to make the money work for the auto fisher, I just had to make it label the fish it fishes up as big fish and small fish, because in the code it only checks for fish with those names. Or it checks for fish with those names and then does different things depending on if it's a big or small fish. Yeah, that is all I got that is fully functional. The part I got that isn't fully functional is this thing, the lamprey. What it does is it eats fish, like it stretches out and will try to consume fish around it, like that, kind of. The idea is that it stretches out and its face will touch a fish, and then it'll start shrinking the fish until it's gone, and then drain the health. And as it's doing that, it'll drain the health from the fish and will distribute the health to the turrets it is connected to. That is, so you can have something that heals your turrets. Now, it doesn't work at all right now. Yeah, it just doesn't, unfortunately. Yeah, it's not even stretching properly. It's probably because I did some redundant stuff here, but yeah, it's a really cool concept. That is all I have today.